Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Facebook pixel for dropshipping retargeting, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Facebook pixel for dropshipping retargeting, start by logging into your Facebook Business Manager account. Navigate to the Events Manager section. Click on that Add button and select Facebook pixel. Enter your pixel name and your website URL. Click on Continue to create your pixel. After creating the pixel, you'll receive the pixel ID. Copy the pixel ID for later use. Next, open your e-commerce platform, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Find the section where you can add custom scripts or code. Locate the settings for adding a new pixel or custom code. Paste the Facebook pixel base code into the header section of your website. You can find the base code snippet in the Events Manager under Setup Pixel. Customize the pixel code if necessary. Make sure it matches the specific actions you want to track. After adding the code, save your changes. Proceed to test your pixel installation. Go back to the Events Manager and use the Pixel Helper tool available as a Chrome extension. Visit your website to initiate the test. Ensure that the pixel is firing correctly by checking for the green light in the Pixel Helper. Once verified, set up custom events for retargeting. Return to the Events Manager and click on the Add Event button. Choose from the pixel option to track specific actions such as page views or purchases. Follow the prompts to set up each custom event you want to track. Consider setting up a standard event for Add to Cart. Copy the generated code for the specific action you want to track. Paste this code into the respective action locations on your website. Once all custom events are configured, revisit the Events Manager. Check the diagnostics to ensure all events are being tracked properly. Now, you'll need to create a custom audience for retargeting. Go to the Audiences section in your Facebook Ads Manager. Click on Create Audience and select Custom Audience. Choose website traffic as your source. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.